trying to hide my shoes from me?
I'm trying to hide.
Levi's wearing his Thomas underwear. What's Emma doing over here?
I'm protecting your shoes.
You're protecting my shoes?
My shoes. Your shoes.
Do you think they're all safe now?
They're gonna be.
Oh, they're gonna be? Okay. But they're not yet.
It's just America.
United States of America. That's right. There's a tiny little flag on there.
Where are your shoes?
I don't know.
Right.
I don't know. Have you guys seen my shoes?
It's gonna be my shoes.
I need to put my shoes on. You hid them from me? Why would you do that?
Because I want you not to go out.
I'm gonna stay home forever. I'm gonna have to stay home forever until I find them. Let me see you guys dance again. Emma, I want to see your dance moves again. Ooh, good dancing. That's great. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Looks like ballet.